back to Southern Mud Daubers. Max and I spent about, I don't know, an hour this afternoon working on a target range that he's been wanting for quite a while. So basically we went to the hardware store and picked up two 4x4s. I had that fence post laying around, chain, and a steel plate. We probably have all in all probably $70. The steel plate was 36 of that though, in this whole project. So a really easy thing to do. You saw me shooting at it with Miss Mud Daubers 9mm, and then you saw Max shooting at it with his 1911 45 ACP. Something we enjoy doing is shooting. We're gonna get our high-powered rifles down here and go to town on this. It's not exactly complete to where I want it. I want to hang another steel plate on the right side of the range with plenty of room in the center to put a paper target, and then put some metal targets down below, the flip-up type. So not complete yet, but a good start, and we had a blast. Thank you. All right, first up here is Pappy with Nana's 9mm. And I miss a couple in a row because the plate is swinging, not because of the fact I can't shoot.
Is it on? Yep. You're connecting my phone. Once it does that, it noise cancels. Go back here. Once you shoot that at an angle. I almost stand behind the post when I shoot it. I thought you wanted to do this. I don't like it at all. It's so sketchy. I don't want to get hit. You won't do it? I saw a bullet bounce off one time. Those things work good? That's pretty cool, right? I saw a bullet bounce off somewhere. It was mushroomed out.
All right, in this clip, you'll see Max shooting the 45 ACP 1911. He does an excellent job.
About your third shot, I thought you were going to cut this thing down. You hit it right there. Oh, you thought so? I thought you were going to cut the chain off. I thought I was pretty good. I thought my gripping was pretty good. Yeah, it was because it was rocking. I was trying to hit it on the swing. Rocking too. Yeah, but look, there's boom, boom, boom. Now this one was bad. Boom, boom. Which one's mine? Here's the ones that aren't painted. Oh, you painted over? Yeah, so mine were painted over. Yours are this one, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are those 2 shots? That's a good gun. No, I really like it. You like it? Yeah. My hand was shaking. I don't know, my hand was shaking. I wasn't nervous, so it was just shaking. Yeah, you were. Because your face will come back. No, I wasn't nervous, I'm telling you. I was shaking. I don't know why I was.
Holy smokes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let it stop rocking.